What's happening, y'all? Welcome to another episode of Red Hook Outdoors. My name is Aaron, and it is a beautiful day down here in southern New Mexico. I've already been fishing this morning, and we've already had some pretty good success. So that's what you guys are about to see. I just realized that I forgot to film an intro for today's video. It's also, things have already off to a little bit of a rocky start too, but we'll talk about that probably towards the end of the video. But anyway, came out here. We're going to be meeting up with a couple of other YouTubers to do a collaboration, but that's going to be in the next episode because we've already had really good success today, and I feel like, I'll just farm some content, you know what I mean? The more videos that we can get, the better. So what you guys are about to see, like, I've already caught, several fish today, and some pretty nice ones. Broke a PB, which you guys are about to see. It was epic, absolutely epic. I love it. It was a great day. But it's getting a little bit later on in the morning. These guys, other YouTubers, still haven't showed up yet. They're missing out on all the action. But anyway, hope you guys enjoy the video. I know I'm sitting happy right now. I'm in a really good mood today, but I'm kind of keeping it a little quiet because there's people all over the place. But we are here at the main marina. There's people all over the place, super crowded. It's not like when we fish over at the dam where it's, nice and peaceful and serene, but it's a good time. It's a really good time. But anyway, like the video, subscribe, all that cool stuff, and I'll see you guys on the next episode. All right, folks, we are on the water. We're still waiting on Brandon and Adrian and Mateo and anybody else is gonna be showing up. I wasn't able to bring Brandon with us today. He was having fun at a birthday party down in El Paso. But as I was coming into the state park today, I met up with this guy named Carlos. He'll be fishing with us for a little bit today, which I'm excited about. I love meeting new people. And I have not fished this area since like the middle of winter when me and Brandon just decided to run out here for no reason. But I believe that we'll be able to get something done. We got some juicy looking rocks over here. We're gonna toss our Ned rig. What I might do is I might do like we did at Bill Evans and just like wacky rig a plasma tail on a Ned rig, send it out there and see what happens. Did I change it? I didn't change the line on this stinking reel, I don't think. Maybe if I do decide to go and grab my backpack, I'll probably either switch this reel out with a decent reel instead of this old Black Max here. Which, the Black Max works, but this thing's not really. Yeah, it's no SLX or too low. I've got a couple feet of visibility, which will be good with this Lucky Craft crankbait. It'll be nice. This has a nice like little gold color to it. Should show up well. It should. Oh, someone lost a beach ball. We're on. Little guy. First fish of the day on the Lucky Craft crankbait. And he has a Ned rig in his mouth, dude. He's super thin. Probably hasn't been able to eat well, but let's see if we can get this hook out of him. Boom. We got ourselves a new Ned rig, and we just saved this little bass. Boom. Oh, he's an acrobat. He's an acrobat. And we got ourselves a nice little Ned rig. Wash it off. Not very sharp. Probably won't use it, but we got it. First fish of the day. We are not skunked so far. That's a fish. That's a decent one. They are loaded up in here, guys. Oh yeah. Oh gosh, he's digging so good. Where's he at? He's a better one. Can we boat flip him? Yeah, there we go. Fish number 2, guys. Healthy little argy. Got him with the death grip on there. Beautiful fish, man. Beautiful fish. A little hefty too for the size. Love to see it. Love to see it. Nice healthy fish. The Lucky Craft is putting in work. Ooh, cow. Oh, that's a fish. Feels good. Oh my gosh. Guys, I just broke my PB, guys. I just broke my PB. It's not a bass. It is not a bass, but it is a PB nonetheless. I just broke my PB drum, guys. This thing is cool. Oh, what a cool fish. What a cool fish. I know people hate these things, but gosh, I think they're so nice. All right, this thing, he's not really cooperating with me too much. Oh gosh, this splashed me in the eye. We're just gonna go ahead and toss him back in. Beautiful fish, man, beautiful fish. I don't know why people hate those things so much. Maybe because they get super hyped that they just broke their PB largemouth and then, nope, it's just a 5-pound drum. Excusez-moi. All right, we've got this wall here. Fish like walls. I like walls. My house has like 5 of them. There's a fish. Decent, decent, decent. Largy? He's digging so good. Look at this. Oh my gosh, look at that rod bend. He's not terribly big. He's about the same size as the last one. Maybe a little bigger. Come here, buddy. Oh yeah. He's in the boat, and I just put water in my drink. It's all right. I will become one with the lake. Beautiful, beautiful largemouth. This thing is thin. Look how thin this fish is. Kind of healthy. I mean, it's got a little bit of girth in there. He's been eating a little bit. But man, that thing, you need to go eat some more, guy. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. Man, I'm just in a great mood today, guys. I'm just so happy. I'm stoked. I feel good. I think it's just being on the water. It's just like, it's that recharge that I need after a long week, you know? After a long couple weeks, I should say. This is an interesting little spot. I do want to slow down for a second. I think there might be something lurking in these little cuts here. A part of me is like kind of regretting letting that drum go, because I'm wanting to do some catfishing, and drum actually make pretty good catfish bait. Oh gosh, that's not the best cast. We caught ourselves a little fish though. Are we hung up in some rocks? Where's he at? This little guy should not be pulling drag. I definitely need to tighten the drag up. Oh, he's a little bit bigger than I thought. He grew since he jumped first. See? Then he just sit, get out of the net. What are you doing? Tiny little bass. Little guy. But hey. Oh gosh. I'm about to lose my rod. Alright, you're out of here. You're out of here. How many fish are we at today? Is that 5? 4 or 5? Yeah, that's 5 fish total. 4 largemouth. 2 dinks and 2 decents, and then a big old drum. I'm not mad at it. I'm not mad at it one tiny bit. Alright guys, so once again, oh, my fly is caught on this. That was weird. I don't know how that happened. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. It was epic, man. I mean, it's only been we've only been on the water for like 2 hours. Not even 2 hours, like an hour and a half. 5 fish, you know, and that massive drum. I say massive. I mean, I know that they can get up to like 40, 50, 60 pounds, but that's the biggest one I've ever caught. I don't have a scale or anything, but it's cool. It's cool. If it were largemouth, I'd probably be a little upset not having the scale, but it is where it is. I mean, we're just chilling. We're vibing right now. But I'm going to just sit tight. We're going to wait for Brandon Marshall from NM Studios, NM Fishing Studios, and Adrian from Adrian Unknown. We're gonna do some fishing, and I believe our buddy Mateo Brown, he's gonna show up too. So this will be the first time you guys have seen them on the channel, and it's also gonna be the first time that I've fished with these guys on their channels as well. So I'm excited. I'm really excited. It's gonna be a really good day. But anyway, love you guys. Thank you guys so much, and also don't forget to like the video, subscribe. We are steadily growing, and I'm thinking about doing a real big giveaway once we hit 500 subs. That's my thought anyway. But anyway, I will see you guys when I see you.